Hello, my name is Karen. I am 20 years old. And today want to share with you a delicious recipe for barbecue wings that I love the just yesterday. I prepared it for my husband for this, who will need the following ingredients: for wings, salt, pepper, onion powder, paprika, soy sauce, and lemon. We put the wings in a bowl and add these ingredients to give them a good taste. Then we heat a skillet over medium heat and let it heat up. After we add flour to make the wings crispy. We add then to the skillet and let them brown on both sides. We take them out and add the barbecue sauce. They are ready to eat. While we were eating, we had a great time.